Recovering deleted messages on ProtonMail can be a straightforward process if you act quickly. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you retrieve your lost emails. Step 1. Log into your ProtonMail account. Access your ProtonMail account by visiting the ProtonMail website or using the mobile app. Enter your credentials to log in. Step 2. Check the trash folder. Once logged in, navigate to the trash folder located in the left sidebar. Deleted messages are typically stored here for a limited time before permanent deletion. Step 3. Select the deleted messages. In the trash folder, browse through the list of deleted emails. Select the messages you wish to recover by clicking on them. Step 4. Move messages to inbox. After selecting the messages, look for the option to move them. Click on Move and choose inbox or any other folder where you want to restore the emails. Step 5. Confirm recovery. Check your inbox or the designated folder to ensure that the messages have been successfully restored. If they are not there, they may have been permanently deleted. By following these steps, you should be able to recover deleted messages on ProtonMail. Remember to regularly back up important emails to avoid future loss.